So you wanna create a mysterious fog inside your PS1 style project inside Unreal Engine 5, like in Silent Hill. Nothing easier than that. I'm using here the same project like from the first step tutorial, and I will create the material for the fog inside the folder of the pixelation material. So to create the fog, right click, material. Let's call it fog post material. Double click. Now we are here inside the material preview, and the first thing we have to change is we have to change the material domain here from surface to post process. So the first thing we need is a texture coordinate. So texture coordinate and a scene texture. And we have to change the ID to post process input 0 and a component mask. That's basically the overlay of the fog itself. So let's plug everything into each other. And also here on the component mask, we have to toggle the B to get an RGB value. So far so good. Now we want to define the color of our fog. For that, hold the V button on your keyboard and left click. That way you get a color parameter. So let's call it fog color. And I'm gonna change it already to white, why not? And now, so far so good, we can already plug them into each other. So let's create an linear interpolate and lerp. And we can plug in the first two values into this thing to combine them. And the output into the immersive color. This should already, as you can see, create a basic fog situation. The last thing we want to define, we have to plug into the alpha value of this lerp is the distance of the fog, or the distance and the density basically. So for that we need an absolute world position. Yeah, the camera position. And we need to subtract them from each other. So we get this distance from the fog. So the fog is not straight in our face like here. The fog has some distance to our view. So we need a subtract. Right click, subtract. We can already plug them into each other. Now in vector length. And we only need the second value and a divide and the second value. And now let's create an parameter so we can define the distance of the fog. For that, hit S, hold S, left click, perfect, and let's call this fog distance and plug it into the B and a clamp. So far so good. That's basically it. Throw that into that thing here and this into the alpha. Give it a save. And now we only have to define the distance. So let's bring this parameter here up. We can go under parameters. Here we have two things we can define, the color and the distance. Let's crank up the distance. Oh yeah, the distance value needs to be very high because this is Unreal units. So let's do something like 2500. Perfect. Let's take this as a default value, give it a save, and let's bring it into our game project. So let's create an instance. So right click, create material instance, double click, save. And here we have a beautiful preview of our fork. And here we have our two parameters, the distance of the fork and the color. We can change this color to black if we want. This looks very interesting, or to something like a blue. This looks very underwaterly, if you ask me. But for now, let's leave it as default with this white fogginess. Okay, give it a save. And let's throw it into the post-process material. Here in the outliner, post-process volume. And let's search for the materials. MAT. And here we have the post-process materials. Hit plus because we already have here our pixelation material. And here we have the add element, essence reference, and just throw the instance into the second value. Nice. Pretty awesome if you ask me. So for more tutorials like this, consider subscribing, like this video. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below. If you want to support the channel big time, consider becoming a Patreon like those lovely, lovely people. See you in the next one. Bye.